Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing these super easy curls. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the thickness of your hair, how long it is, and how long your patience is. And I am sorry that I am almost the same color as my backdrop today. I scrubbed off all of my tan. If you guys would like to see a video of how I remove my tan, comment down below and I would be happy to show you guys that. Or if you guys would like to see some fair skin tutorials, also let me know. But for today we are doing this really cute, quick, easy curls, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. If you like this video, please subscribe. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys. Starting out with freshly washed hair, and for hair elastics, I'm going to be splitting my hair into two sections, a top and bottom, from ear to ear, at round about the top of my ears. I'm going to clip the top section of hair up out of the way since we will be focusing on the bottom first. So once I have that into place, I take the bottom and split that into two sections as well. Now I'm going to take my hair ties and I'm going to put each side into its own separate ponytail. So the curling wand that I've been using lately is from Nume. It is their classic wand in the size 1.25 inches, and I'm literally going to take each section and just curl it back away from my face. The beauty of ponytails is that it's kind of pulling all the hair and over-directing the hair into one section, so the curls aren't going to bunch up on each other because they are all coming from different points of the head. Then I'm just going to repeat the process, still curling back away from my face on the other side. So now I'm going to take down the top half of my hair and again divide this into two separate ponytails. I'm going to do exactly what I did on the bottom two ponytails and curl everything away from the face. Sorry, these shots are a little overexposed. So once the curls have cooled, I go ahead and start taking out the ponytails, and I just kind of shake them out a little bit and kind of form them in with the bottom section. The one good thing about this overexposure is that you can actually see my hair since it's so dark, but I literally match the background and that is disturbing. So if you wanted, you could finish with some hairspray. I typically don't, but this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.